Hello, everybody, and welcome. Today, we are diving into the world of calisthenics, which is a form of exercise that uses your own body weight as resistance to build strength, flexibility, and control. We'll explore its benefits, drawbacks, and how it stacks up against other popular training methods. So, let's get started. Calisthenics is more than just working out, it's about mastering movement. It's an ancient practice that emphasizes functional strength and control. Calisthenics is a word which derives from the Greek words "kalos", which means beauty in English, and "stenos", which means strength. Calisthenics is a system of exercise containing of various gross motor movements. Think about push-ups, squats, dips, pull-ups, and even the planks. These are just the building blocks of calisthenics. Why choose calisthenics? Accessibility and convenience. One of the biggest advantages of doing calisthenics is its accessibility. You can do it anywhere, anytime with no equipment required. This makes it incredibly convenient and cost-effective. Full body engagement. Calisthenics exercises often engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, leading to balanced strength and development. Also, improved functional fitness. Improved coordination and balance. Many calisthenic movements require coordination, balance, and body control, which translates to better overall athleticism. Progressive difficulty. From basic push-ups to advanced variations like one-arm push-ups or the planche, calisthenics offers a clear progression path, allowing you to continually challenge yourself. Reduced risk of injury only when done properly. Compared to heavy weightlifting, calisthenics can be less stressful on joints when performed with proper form. Potential drawbacks: slower muscle hypertrophy compared to weightlifting. While calisthenics builds muscle, it might not lead to the same level of muscle mass gain as dedicated in weightlifting, especially for those seeking significant hypertrophy. Requires discipline and patience. Progressing in calisthenics takes time and consistent effort. It requires mastering fundamental movements before moving on to more advanced skills. Limited lower body isolation. While there are lower body calisthenic exercises, isolating specific muscles like the quads or hamstrings can be more challenging compared to weight training. Risk of injury from improper form. Like any exercise, incorrect form can lead to injuries. It's crucial to learn proper technique and progress gradually. Calisthenics versus weightlifting. Muscle growth. Weightlifting generally excels at promoting muscle hypertrophy due to its ability to progressively overload with external weights. Calisthenics builds muscles but focuses more on functional strength and endurance. Accessibility. Calisthenics wins in terms of accessibility, requiring no equipment. Weightlifting requires access to weights and often a gym membership. Joint stress. Calisthenics, when performed correctly, can be less stressful on joints. Weightlifting can place significant stress on joints, especially with heavy loads. Skill development. Calisthenics emphasizes skill development and body control, leading to improved coordination and athleticism. Weightlifting, on the other hand, focuses more on strength and power output. Calisthenics versus cardiovascular fitness, also known as cardio. While not purely cardio, calisthenics can improve cardiovascular fitness, especially when performed in circuits or with high repetitions. However, dedicated cardio activities like running or cycling are more effective for maximizing cardiovascular endurance. Integrating calisthenics into your routine. Warm-ups. Dynamic calisthenics movements are excellent for preparing the body for more intense workouts. Active recovery. Light calisthenics can promote blood flow and aid in recovery. Full body workouts. Create challenging workouts using various calisthenic exercises such as the push-ups, dips, and sit-ups. Skill development. Focusing on mastering advanced movements like handstands, muscle-ups, or levers. Unlock your potential. Calisthenics is a powerful tool for achieving your fitness goals. It's accessible, effective, and empowering. That's it for today. Thank you for joining in.